It drastically reduces global warming. Lodero et al. Of Clemson University in Canada has compiled publications on this in 2004. While diesel's benzene content is cancer-causing, biodiesel is non-toxic and can be produced by plants, animals, and microbes on our soils sustainably. Thus, as long as we grow plants and have animals, we don't have to worry importing dirty fossil fuels, helping our farmers and invigorating our economy. Second, biodiesel can be used in existing diesel engine with no modification whatsoever. We can blend biodiesel with diesel at any proportion. The higher the biodiesel content, the better is the performance. We know for a fact that all diesels being sold from all gas stations have already 2% biodiesel content. This is because two Republic Acts, namely Biofuel Act of 2006 and Renewable Energy Act of 2008, recognized its good properties, reason why it mandated its mix. And contrary to myths, it doesn't melt engine gaskets and parts, nor it will void your engine warranty. If major car manufacturers and Boeing 747 recommends its use and are now using it, biodiesel must be very safe. Third advantage is that biodiesel boosts engine performance. Because of the two oxygen and biodiesel molecule, cetane rating is double. Regular diesel has only 44, while biodiesel range from 80 to 95%. Breaking the Guinness Book of Land Speed Record is a landmark performance testimony to this. Research of Biofuel Philippines showed increase in mileage from 5% for new CRDI engine to 25% for old surplus engine. Another characteristic of this biodiesel is its lubricating and cleaning properties. It gives less smoke emissions, and pollutants. These are common results from all literature, like the studies done by Aklan State University in February 2009. Biodiesel can really boost engine performance simply because it's Euro 5 and Euro 6 compliant. The fourth advantage is it is economical. Production cost is only 6 pesos to 8 pesos per liter, and if you will be paid disposal fee of waste cooking oil by big commissaries, hotels, restaurants, and food factories, this cost will be totally wiped out. Average cost of disposal fee as recommended by DNR is 15 pesos per liter, and this is for you. You will be paid 15 pesos per liter. Using biodiesel is economical because the lubricating property, which produces less engine noise, lowers your repair and maintenance budget. It's also good for the economy because you lessen fossil oil importation and you invigorate our agricultural industry. Last but not the least, biodiesel production is good for your business. Venturing into biodiesel production gives you a very high 46.5% GPR or gross profit return and an ROI of less than a month return on investment. This is way better than franchising into restaurant or food chain industry, having 12% GPR only and a low ROI of 2 years. Our government likewise encourages us into production by providing pre-tax for 7 years and VAT-free for purchases of production raw materials. You just send me your email address and I'll send you an electronic copy of biodiesel feasibility study done by CPR Beyond Technology.